of the entire society. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma on Wednesday attended the 51st Gst Council meeting via video conferencing. The meeting was chaired by Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman. Conrad Sangma said that the primary focus of the meeting was to finalize the implementation of taxation for several activities. He also clarified that amendments would be made to the GST law to ensure that betting, gambling, lottery, online gaming with money and horse racing are not exempted under actionable claims. He stated that the Government of India will pass an ordinance to implement the agreed upon amendments.
In yesterday's meeting, more details on how the taxation would actually be implemented was finalized. And number two is the amendment to the GST law. So that I just have to speak technical stuff because that's what it is. That in the GST law, the actionable claims are were exempted, and so the actionable claim tax exemption did not apply to betting and gambling and to lottery. So the amendment is being done to ensure that not only betting and gambling and lottery, but online gaming on money as well as horse racing will also be included.
External Affairs